I hope you are all doing well. In the last video we discussed how to create database, how to create table and all. In this video we discuss how to alter the tables. For that, first we can add new column to the table. Alter table, table name. What is table name? Student. Add column, new column name. What is new column name? Like city. City. What is data type? Varchar 100. Constraint not null. Then run. Let's run. Yeah, you can see city column is created, but data is not because we didn't add any data to the table. You can add city. Now we can add data to the city column. For that, update table name student, update student, set city equals to like Tumkuru, where id equal to 101. Run this, then select all from yeah, you can see what is happening. No, not on Tumkur. What is that error? Wait, you can also add for that. Control C, select city equal to Sirsi for id 102. Then run. Yeah, you can see for id 101 Tumkur, for id 102 Sirsi. Similarly, we can add for every id. Give name Bangalore for id 103. Give name Chitradurga for id 104. Can also give for Raichur for id 105. Then run. Yeah, you can see. Then next we delete that city column. For that, alter table name student, then delete for delete, drop column. What is that column name? City. Then we can run this, then run. Yeah, city column is deleted. Then we rename the table name. For that, alter table name student, then rename to we can rename for employee. We can run. Yeah, you see the error. Table college student doesn't exist because we change the name student as employee. Select all from student. That's why we change this also. Employee, then run. Yeah, you can see. Change the table name from student to employee. Then change column name. For that, alter table. What is table name? Not student. Table name is employee because we already changed. Alter table employee. Then change column name. For old column name for what? Marks. Marks. This is old. Marks to new one. Grade. Where can 50. We must give new data type to the new column name. Then run. Created. Then run. Yeah, you can see. Marks is changed to grade. Okay. Next. Modify. Sorry. Alter table name employee. Then modify column name for age. Modify the data type of age into to varchar 50. Then run. Successfully run. Then run this. Next. Truncate table table name employee. Then run. See, the data of the table is deleted. Truncate table employee. The data is in the employee is already deleted. Next. In the next video, we discuss some more practical questions. Thank you for watching.